We all have gifts that only we can bring to the world, and they are unique, and they are absolutely what's needed right now for the people that you will encounter. In spirit, there is no big and small. It's all important.
Everything that you are goes out from you. There is no perimeter to this existence. So it goes out from you, your thoughts, your feelings, your actions. And it draws to you those people, those circumstances, and those events that exactly mirror who you're being.
Life offers us opportunities to give ourselves away every day. Every day is an opportunity.
We have to begin to recognize that there's only one life on this planet, and we have to treat each other equally with the same value, with the same understanding and respect. And once we do that, then we'll all begin to prosper. We'll all begin to live well. We can't do it by ourselves. It can't be done. We've tried that for centuries. It will not work. We have to act as one.